Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. As we're getting to the end of October, we're going to be covering 3 top altcoins to buy right now. As you guys can see, in the past 24 hours, the market has been making a little bit of a pullback. We are down about 1.94%. Our top gainer here in the past 24 hours is going to be Jasmy. Jasmy is up about 15.32%, trading right around the 7 cents area. As we can see with our volume here, highest volume is going to be Bitcoin at 35.3 billion. Volume is a little bit lower compared to the past few days that we've seen. Ethereum, same type of situation, 17.4 billion. As you guys can see also, Bitcoin is down about 2.85%. It was down even more, but it came back up here Saturday morning. Ethereum down about 2.16%. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is still trading around the 61,500 area, and Ethereum is trading around this 4,000 area, been bouncing back and forth. Binance Coin and all these other altcoins seem to be down about 1 or 2%, as you guys can see, with some outliers in the green, like Doge is up a little bit, Avalanche is up. Chainlink 3.7%, as you guys can see right there. Polygon almost 6%, VECHAIN 4%. So it's a little bit of a mixed type of situation. You either up 2 or 3%, or you're down 2 or 3% right now. So there's a mixture of everything. We're going to be watching very closely to see what happens here on Saturday and obviously Sunday, because those are usually some of our biggest days, and we get a lot of momentum over the weekend. In the past weeks, we actually had a lot of green momentum over the weekend, and that's exactly what we're going to be watching right now to see if we're going to have a similar pattern this week. So guys, before we get into this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always guys, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. Coming in at the number 1 spot is going to be Polygon, also known as Matic. So Matic here is up about 6%, guys. It is trading at $1.61. On the 1 week chart, we're pretty much flat, up about almost 1%. In the past month, we're actually up 31%. And then on the 1 year chart, 9,374%. So this coin was here trading at around 17 cents or so. This was, actually it was at around 1 cent. So it was at around 0.0170. So less than 1 cent, or a little bit over 1 cent. Hit highs here, obviously in May. This is when we had the whole green altcoin type situation. Everybody was getting into greener coins because Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla would not be accepting Bitcoin anymore because it's not good for the environment. So we obviously saw Polygon explode here from $1 all the way to highs of about almost $3 at one point in a matter of about, 2 or 3 days. Then pulled back down to $1, came back up to $2. And then we pulled back down with the rest of the market as the whole market kind of pulled back down. We saw it hit about 60 cents or so here in July, and then from that area we hit highs of about 174 in September. So over 150% upside right there happened. So for anybody that got in, made a lot of decent gains. And even if you got in and you're still holding, you made over 100% profit. We saw a slight pullback at the end of September, and now a little bit of a trend up. We're waiting for that next leg up. As you guys can see, currently market cap at 10.9 billion. Volume is pretty much flat at 959 million. Typical hold time is 75 days. Trading activity, 67% buy activity, 33% sell activity. It is ranked the number 17 coin right now. Polygon was formerly called Matic Network, obviously. So Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum to use using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that are run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Now, users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later they can withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. Now, the Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus, but this is one of those green coins that in the future, once we start to worry more and more about our environment, I believe that this coin is going to have an explosive growth type situation, and the market cap is going to continue to grow faster and faster. In my opinion, I would not be surprised if this coin was trading at around $10 per coin, which would give it about a 40 to 50 billion market cap. And I think that's definitely a realistic solution for the next 10, 15, or 20 years, once we start to really buckle down and try to find these, greener coins and just greener alternatives to mining and different things like that. Polygon is definitely one of those coins, guys. So let me know, what do you think about Polygon in the comments below? Do you agree or disagree with me? Now let's get into our second coin. Second coin is going to be Chainlink, also known as Link. So this one right here, making a nice move here in the past 24 hours. It was trading at 28 cents or $28. We're trading at $30 right now, up about 3.7%. In the past week, we're up 13%. If we take a look here at the 1 month chart, we're up about 25%. And then on the 1 year chart, over 151%, guys. So this coin here in October was trading at $12 last year, went up to highs in May at around $52 or so, pulled back down to lows of 13 in July, and then we saw it come back up to highs of about 34, 35. So over 150%, close to 200% gains were made here from July to September for anybody that got in at the low and sold up here towards the high. But we're still consolidating here around this $30 area, and we're waiting for that next breakthrough to get through this $35 resistance and continue to push on higher. So this market cap is at 14.2 billion, volume at 1.5 billion right there. Typical hold time is 68 days. It is ranked the number 11 coin on this list. Trading activity, 59% buy activity, and then we have a 41% sell activity. Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. So this coin is very, very nice. I think it has plenty of room for growth as well, as it is only at a 14.2 billion market cap. I'm predicting this one could possibly be closer to the 50 billion market cap in the future, which would give it over a 200 to 300% upside, 5, 10, 15, or 20 years away from now. So Chainlink is definitely one that we're going to be watching very closely for upside potential, especially once we see volume start to pick up and break through this resistance at $35 that we saw in the past, which was in the previous times obviously a support level. So previous support levels become new resistance levels, obviously. So we're going to be watching that very, very closely, guys. Chainlink, number 2. And then number 3, we have Cosmos, also known as Atom. So Atom right here, up about 1.5%. We see the same pattern here Friday night, downward trend. And then here, Friday night into Saturday morning, we see this uptrend, obviously, on pretty much all these altcoins and the bigger coins. In the past week, this one is up 9%. In the past month, down 9% from highs up here of about $42, $44. In the past year, Cosmos is still up over 570%. Last October, we were trading at around $5.30. We hit highs here, obviously, in May at about $28, $30. A few times that happened in February 1st, and then April, and then May again. Couldn't break through. Came back down with the whole market under $9 or so, and then obviously over 200% upside happened from here this July period all the way to about September, even 300% if you would have sold at the top here closer to the $45 level. Then we pulled back down, consolidating now, waiting for the next run up. So at 8.1 billion market cap currently, 770.7 million volume, which is 14% higher than usual. Typical hold time is 37 days. Popularity, number 19 coin. As you guys can see, trading activity at 66% buy, 34% sell. Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof-of-stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward, obviously. So Cosmos is definitely one of those coins that we're going to be watching, as it is actually at highs. So it's pretty much close to those highs that it's been trading at in the past month or so. And this coin is doing great. It's only at an 8 billion market cap. Plenty of room for upside, to do a 2x or higher and bring it up to closer to that 15 to 20 billion market cap. And that could happen, in the next few years, in my opinion. This is obviously all just my prediction, but I think that all three of these coins have very, very nice upside potential for the future. So those are our 3 altcoins. Now we're going to be covering the rest of the market. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. But first of all, let's take a look here at Solana. So we talked about Solana in the previous video. We're still trading around this $200 level. We broke through, obviously. Now we're consolidating, waiting to break through this all-time highs. 60.7 billion market cap right now on Solana. Then obviously we have Doge, the meme, which is trading around this 25 cents area. So Doge has been trading in the 20s for the past few months now. So that's definitely something we've been watching. Shiba Inu still in the 2s here, up about 1.66%, making a nice move. Then obviously we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin down about 2.8%. So Bitcoin is trading around 63,000 on Friday. But before that, we were trading around 66,000. We consolidated here throughout Friday night, and then boom, fell back down all the way to under 60, and then made a comeback here Saturday morning. So we're down about 2.5%. In the past week, Bitcoin is flat actually, because we were trading at these levels last week, but we did hit those highs obviously at 67,000 almost in the middle of the week. In the past month, we're up over 41.4%, obviously. Insane gains from 40,000 to 66,000 at one point. If we take a look here at the 1-year chart, 376%. Obviously, this was a quick move up. Now we're waiting for some consolidation. We might be seeing a lot of consolidation with Bitcoin for the next few weeks, obviously, even a downtrend. So don't be surprised to see Bitcoin, pull back down a little bit, even maybe back into the 50s and then come back up in the future. Obviously, we can't just continue to run and run. We have to make a little bit of a pullback at some point. Current market cap, 1.2 trillion, 37% of the crypto market space. Volume is pretty much down 10% or so. It's at 35 billion. 71% buy activity, 39 or 29% sell activity. It seems like a lot of people are just hodling their Bitcoin and do not want to sell it. If you guys actually take a look at the liquidity chart, you will notice that as well. A lot of people are just holding and not selling. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum trading around this 4,000 level, back and forth trading, down about 2%. In the past week, we're up about 4%. In the past month, up 31%. And then on the 1 year chart, up 886%. We actually hit all-time highs the other day, I believe on Thursday. And then ever since, we pulled back down, pretty much same pattern as Bitcoin. 477.4 billion market cap, 15% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 20% lower than usual at 17.4 billion. 72% buy, 28% sell activity. So it's pretty much same pattern with Bitcoin and Ethereum. A lot of people are just holding and don't want to sell their Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we're seeing a lot of people that are believing in these coins for the future and do not want to sell, guys. So that is a positive sign, obviously, in the crypto market, because that means people want to hold, which means supply and demand will come into effect eventually, where the supply is going to be low and the demand is going to be high, and this is going to cause the crypto market to explode, in my opinion. That's just my theory that I'm predicting for the future. So be very, very careful and watch the market closely to see updates, obviously. And for that, always, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time I make a new video, and we talked about new updates, new news, and different opportunities. And as always, guys, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,100. Link is going to be in the description. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies you're buying right now. Also, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Make sure you understand the high risk, high reward type situation you're getting into by investing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.